Close your eyes first. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes. పీల్చరా శ్వాస అట్లా అనకూడదు తీసుకోమని. You just hate me?
No.
No, yes. No? Why?
You are staying there. Simply you are staying there.
Yeah, come on.
English is an important language, okay? Because if two persons are there, one is from they are not able to talk in English, okay? If you wanna talk with them, they doesn't understand what they are telling. It is like if you are talking in front of them, we are talking like a deaf man, okay? That's why the English is more required, because the English is a universal language which can understand by everybody in the world, okay? That can be understood by everyone in the world. But the disadvantage of English is because of so many are coming from the native places. Then language is different. They use the English as their native language. They simply convert the words into English. Okay, that is not good. First, I will tell one example. If any person is sitting on the chair, normally we have if you want to convert into in Telugu word, we don't have the specific reason. In English, okay, in English, the person is sitting in the chair. This is the correct framing word, but in other language that may be different. Okay. Cut.
Come on.
Cut. Stupid English language. Okay. That is I see that when I am standing in a bus stand, there are two guys are there. They are talking about their colleges. Okay. One guy said that where go, and another person said college going.
Wait, college going.
Yeah, college.
College going.
Wait.
Where going? College going.
Okay.
Normal people cannot understand this language. Normal people can understand this language. If you wanna frame a sentence, actually the man said they will be said like that. Where are you going? The framing words would be there, but instead of that, he is where going.
Oh.
Okay, nice.
Where going?
No.
He understands.
Correct.
He is understanding his friend's word, but I am itself because of I know everything. I didn't frame anything. I didn't understand everything. Okay, and the friend replied, "College going." Means in their own language it is okay, but coming to English language that is not okay. I am going to college is the correct sentence frame. Okay.
Claps. Give him claps. Yeah. Okay, so you are a genuine English speaking guy, so you couldn't understand what those people are.
What they are telling, you don't
If you they don't have the knowledge about the local language, they cannot understand. They are mastered English. They don't understand the situation.
Yes, people like you who are masters in English can't understand.
Can't understand this type of English. Okay?
Yeah.
We are going means college going.
Sure.
This is not a good English. Okay? English must be fluent.
English must be fluent. What else? Come on, fluent. It must be.
Fluent will be affected by those things. I will tell these things. They must know the grammar. If you know the grammar, you will definitely be a fluent English. Normal general people knows 2,000 words. General people knows 2,000 words, but they doesn't know how to frame a sentence with the 2,000 words.
Sure.
Actually, 2,000 words is enough for an English language to speak English language. 2,000 words is enough for us.
2,000 words.
2,000 words.
Then where is the problem?
Where is the problem?
The main problem
Where is the problem?
They doesn't know how to frame a sentence proper way. They frame sentence. Yes, they frame sentence. But they doesn't know the correct meaning word. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Just